Oh my god!
What the fuck?
You drifted right in. No, you gotta blow it up. Stop.
Oh, so the mission's over?
Yeah. Oh wow, that shit
I'm
really
away
is.
from Rob Konkama.
What is happening to your body?
I'm fucked up. There's a dog trying to find its owner in the rubble. Oh my god. Oh my fucking.
Hey, deputy. If you need
Pet
another
him.
plane,
Just pet him.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You just completely ruined him. Yeah, let's drag along.
What the fuck happened? I'm dead.
Isn't there a cliff right there? Can't we just... Can you spike him off the... No, stop. It's decent.
if you need another plane, come down to our airfield. We got a bunch in the hangar.
Pat him down. Pat him down. Are you going?
Yeah.
I'm not at. I'm not.
No.
Yeah, you're trying to like look up Jason's skirt right now.
And then they hit me with that.
Washington's finest.
You know, to another.
No, wait.
This is like completely ruining this dude. What the fuck?
Fuck it. Fuck it.
How about we just keep these things like next to the fucking base instead of like in it?
Fake fire exit. Oh my god, blind.
Who passes the vibe check?
Yeah, he did.
We lost.
Get on the round, get on the round. Biscuit, you can't
Biscuit,
kill it. Get out of
stop.
it.
No. Fart incoming.
I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
Jacob,
What?
you ripped a fat one.
That wasn't me.
Yes, it was. We heard it.
Oh my god, you're not beating this. Oh,
my god. The double tap.
Dude,
Fucking gastric
dude,
discharge.
this is going in wheezing and cheesing 3.
Yep.
This is fucking
And 4.
ridiculous. Fake Streets fan.
Hold on.
Alright.
Oh, where is it? Oh, I lose Scav. Let's see if I can.
Bro. Dude, I drove by the gas station today and it was fucking
What the fuck, man? Oh my
the door somehow. See, I really hope for 6 they make it so if you go 1, I hope for 6. Like I want, if I'm playing online,
I want to. What?
and oh, it's cutting out. What it is it's just your online, and then if it's like an hour and 44, they just
He just cuts out.
It was just like I
that means
was
it's bad. You already know
that
it's gonna
means
be
it's
bad when,
really
when he's
good,
talking
okay?
about it like that.
and I was
Connect to any random.
I think my game just crashed.
It's like a rat eating.
No, thank you. Look at LeBron's running in.
Keep it, go faster, 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 faster.
I get an egg roll with it. Can I get an egg roll with it? Can I get an egg roll with it?
Faster, faster, guys, faster. Faster. Keep going.
It was like a particle accelerator. Just keep fucking going.
I can't like see over the hood.
Hi guys. Oh my god, this is so dope. Ryan, look at this.
Hanging Herbie. Nothing will kill this beast.
Herbie is going nowhere.
Oh my god, Herbie survived.
Fuck.
What the hell?
Alright, TNT can. One more.
Why don't you just fucking turn the god... You just
I know,
light the TNT manually, you...
No. Yeah, this is good.
Herbie must die.
Dude, this isn't gonna kill Herbie.
This is gonna
Actually,
kill
it
Herbie.
will.
Oh my god!
God, it fucking annihilated her! Herbie.
Bye, Herbie.
Bye bye, Herbie.
Slam dunk.
Going to bed. Herbie.
Oh. A tiny bit more delay. Just one click.
What? Well, Herbie's fucking dead.
Doesn't need to. He's got the sniper.
Oh!
Oh no!
What the hell?
What a good raid.
Exit located. I'm dead.
What happened?
I'm gonna take a shower. I'll be right back.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Shut up.
Wow, 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 wow.
Nightmare fucking.
eBay hard on the butt, Red Rebel in hand. kiss you, Alton. Hell yeah.
He's like on the other side of this wall, like to the left. I'm dead. Okay, you just killed all of us. Not giving your ass a fucking grenade ever again in my life.
Damn it.
It's even worse. Why is it so bad?
What the fuck? What happens if? Oh,
Worse. How?
Hey, shut the fuck up.
I hope you have a nice Christmas.
It's over. The only gift I got for Christmas was a leaking sink in my bathroom.
I got a leaking toilet for Christmas.
I can't understand anything you're saying to me. Oh my god.
I said there's about. Am I getting?
Fuck.
I have about.
No one will ever know what the fuck. Thank
Oh,
God.
shit.
I
Oh
missed this guy.
shit! Oh my god!
Dude, this is my favorite guy. Oh my god. Hey,
It's gone.
Jesus.
No, I'm not.
Hello?
What? You ate it all year, my friend. That was.
Stop!
You just killed me. Shover! Are you fucking kidding me?
I didn't see you push in there. I'm sorry.
I can't. I just made the. I just killed two. I just fucking lasered two people. Like I said, I'm going in, and then fucking you come in and shoot me. There was a person not even looking at you, and you fucking shoot me.
I no scoped him too. I got scared. I got
Anybody
shot
get
at.
that clip? Take literally
Yeah, I got that.
everything. Take everything off my body, please. I'm not buying another fucking pack. I don't even think I can buy anymore.
Pack? I can't afford a pack.
I have to fucking wear Packas.
He's got 5 mil and you can't buy a pack.
I have to wear Packas.
No, he has to wear Packas for Punisher.
I can just buy you Packas.
He's got a bad cycle.
No! I want you to not kill me.
2.6.
Hey, fuck, god damn it, hold on.
Yeah, you see the right of this rock.
I'm hit. You're
You
killing
suck,
me,
it's
you fucking
PMC.
retard.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Thank you for 4 heavy bleeds, you dumb fucking fat.
Get his ass.
Ow!
Oh, I got stuff.
Did he kill
Walked
him?
in my line of fire.
Did he kill another teammate?
This is recent, I think.
Okay, so he ran this. Oh, that is the guy.
You got him?
No.
No, check his pockets, check his pockets. Use that!
Stop searching.
People.
What did what? He ate the paper.
Am I not supposed to eat? Wait, there's like the wrapper around it, right?
Yeah.
Yes! 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 Yeah, we're able to unwedge it.
No. No, they are. They are. Okay. Well, one of them. Oh my god. See it?
You ate.
This fucking guy with the deagle!
Oh my god, I did it. I passed Biscuit at the last second.
No!
This one is third place podium.
I was forecasted that third place! Fuck!
If you want to play your games during a hurricane, get T-Mobile.
Good shit.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Everyone light knife him in the back.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Oh.
Keep him occupied.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that was like 8 tips.
You just swallowed a sword.
Swallowed sword.
Fucking auntie was raptured.
There's some bloke over here. He's Matt.
Can you help me? You
I
useless
can't.
piece of shit, Dylan! You're so fucking useless!
Oh,
You're
God.
just sitting in a corner, like, sucking on your toes!
I'm dead. Think he's mad. Who cares?
You're so useless! I don't care about the game! Where's the extract? I'm gonna fight! Let's go fight people!
Think he's so bad.
I think that's
That's Sanitar's room, I think.
Yeah, Sanitar. Yeah, he's losing.
If he's just playing fair, you'll start running.
There's a horse inside. I've got to get inside.
That's the run, that's the run! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Auto. Fellatio. Arby's meal.
Fat retard.
Oh, that doorway.
Yo, when are we gonna watch it now, bro? We got people.
Is anyone recording that?